Welcome to Internet Quality Academy. The channel is for the quality control engineer, site engineer, and the civil engineer who are working in the construction field. In this channel, we are dealing with the anything and everything which is required to get success in the construction and quality control. Today also, I'm going to discuss about a very important topic, that is, what is the success formula for quality control engineer in the construction? So many people are asking me to share the success tips. So here it is. I'm sharing the 6 steps that will build your career in the construction field as a quality control engineer. So stay tuned until the end to get the full information about the career success formula for the quality control engineer. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So here it is, career success tips for quality control engineer. Please watch carefully until the end, because each and every piece of information is valuable for getting the success. So do not skip, stay tuned and get the full information. So first things what we need to know, that is, developed a deep understanding of industry standard and regulation. Why? Suppose you want to play football, what you want to know? You need to understand what is the game, what is the rules, what is the regulation, and how to play. Without knowing all these things, you cannot get success. If you are not knowing what is the offside rule, what is the penalty rule, what is the handball rule, you will fail in the football. The same way, in the construction and the quality control also, there is a certain rules and there is certain standard and regulation that you need to acquire all the things in order to get success. There is no shortcut for this, as it is impossible to get success in any types of sports, football, cricket, without knowing the rules and regulation. The same way, without knowing the industry standard and regulation, it is impossible to get success in the career space of quality control engineer. That you need to familiarize yourself with the relevant industry standard, codes, and regulation that govern the projects you are working on. Staying up to date with the any changes or up to date is essential to ensure compliance and maintain quality, because every day a new technology is coming, and codes also evolving day by day. The new revision is releasing, new amendment is releasing. So you need to be familiar with that in order to stay ahead with the others. So you need to be always stay focused that what is my industry standard, what is my industry regulation, what is the rules of the games. It means you need to acquire that one by knowing the industry standard and regulation and to be stay up to date. This is the first point, that you need to be very much careful about this. Without the industry standard or without the thorough knowledge, it is impossible to get success. Please keep in your mind that there is no shortcut. If you want to get success in a shortcut way, it is not the way, or this is not the place. Not only quality control, there is no places you will get success without shallow knowledge. You need the deep knowledge of that subject, what area you want to work. So first things, capture or gather all the subject or knowledge, what is the core knowledge that you need to acquire. The next part is foster effective communication. Now, you alone cannot do the work at the site or at the projects. To get success or the get work done, you need to discuss with your team, you need to discuss with your site engineer, you need to discuss with the foreman, you need to discuss with the client, consultant, or supplier, subcontractor, everyone. But if you are not effective, or you are not familiar how to communicate or how to deliver the things to them, it is impossible to get success. Because also same example in the football, the 11 players playing, if they have not the communicate properly, then the player or the team will not gain the game. The same way in the construction quality control also, we need to establish a clear communication or effective communication to each and everyone who are involving in the projects. Without this, it is impossible to get success. So establish clear line of communication with all stakeholders, including project manager, contractors, and site personnel. Regular meetings, progress report, and open discussion can help identify potential issues early and facilitate corrective actions. So these things are second part after the core knowledge, then you need to foster your communication skill. So how good you are in your communication, how effectively you can communicate the common goal or what is the requirement to the concerned party involved in the project, that is the key of your success. So start effective communication now if you want in order to get the success. The third part is implement rigorous inspection and testing procedure. Without the testing and procedure, it is impossible to get success. If you are making a process, suppose you are doing the concrete, you are making a method statement of the concrete that you have to do this, you have to do that, and everything is in 100% correct. So you are say that our concrete will be as per the requirement. Now, if you are not doing the inspection when actual operation is happening, say the same example of the football team, the coach has given this all strategy, all techniques that you have to do this, you have to do this, so you will get the goal and you will win the match. But whenever actual match is happening, what is coach is doing? He is watching the player, whether they are doing the same things or not. If it is not, they replace the player. The same things in our quality control also, you need to develop and implement a comprehensive inspection and testing protocol to ensure that the material, process and finished products meet the required specification. So you need to be close on eyes on inspection and testing procedure, that whatever we made the process, it is following at the site whenever we are making any kind of work, maybe concrete, maybe block work, whatever. So you need to do the inspection and testing protocol, and that is why you need to master on that subject, how to do the effective inspection and how to do the testing procedure and everything. Without this, it is really impossible to get success in the quality control. There is no shortcut. And the fourth part is embrace continuous improvement. See, continuous improvement is the key, because in every field, there is always a chance for the improvement, because no process, nothing is 100% ultimately, because the perfection is a myth. There is no upper limit for the perfection. So we need to develop the process of continuous improvement. So what is happened? What is the process we maintain? That we need to do the work, and we need to follow that there is any shortfall or not. If there is any shortfall, we need to immediately implement that one and redefine the process. So there will be a continuous improvement, because perfection we cannot achieve, because it is a myth and there is no limit. So we need to develop the continuous improvement process, and it is coming from your core, from your heart. It is not like that, okay, concrete is finished, that means sign up, everything is finished. No, you need to be there, and you need to find out, is there any opportunities or is there any scope that we can develop the process, redefine the process, so that our products will meet or exceed the client requirement. That you have to dig it out. You have to be there. You have to use your brain. Otherwise, without continuous improvement, the same things will happen. And with the same things, you will get the same result. You will not get the more result, because you are repeating the same things, the result will also come to same. In order to get the better result, you need to redefine the process. So you need to develop the continuous improvement process to get the success in the quality control. The fifth tips or the is leverage technology and automation. See, this is the everything. Now we are in an era that the technology is advancing day by day. And in the construction, there is a huge technological advancement is there. No, so you need to be keep on eyes on whatever the technology is coming, and how it can be managed or how it can be used in your project, so that you will be stay ahead with the others. So utilize advanced tools and technologies such as inspection cameras, data loggers, and quality management software, or streamline processes, improve accuracy and enhance efficiency. Like, see, in the football itself, whatever example I have given, the VAR is coming, the video assistant referee is coming, goal line technology is coming. So why it is coming? Well, it is coming to the perfection, or it is getting the more from the football, or more from the soccer. So the same way, you also need to be adopt the technological advancement, software, everything, in order to get the more. And if you can acquire that, and will be stay ahead with the others, and you will get the success in your quality control career. The sixth tips is, it is not the last, there is so many, but here today also is discussing sixth thing: seek mentorship and knowledge sharing. Now, give me any example, any successful people in the history or any subject that they have success but they don't have the mentor. Sachin Tendulkar, they have the coach. Lionel Messi, he has coach. Whoever is, take example from the history itself, you will find someone is mentoring to them and they are getting the success. The same way, if you want to get success in your quality control career, find out your mentor who can guide you and who can give you the direction so that you will get the success. So seek mentorship and knowledge sharing. Mentorship can be invaluable in your professional development as well as a quality control engineer, because without the mentorship we can go up to certain level. Beyond the certain levels you cannot. Sachin Tendulkar also do not believe that he can make this one, but his coach Ramakant Achrekar knows that he can. So that belief induced on Sachin Tendulkar and he blasted out. So that is the way you also find out your mentor, and you need to follow your mentor so that whatever the follow path he is guided, you will get the success on that path. So it is first and foremost priority that you will find out your mentor and submit to him or her and follow the path he or she say to follow, and you will get the success. And then seek guidance from experienced professional within your organization or industry. Attend training session, workshop, or conference to extend our knowledge and stay updated with the latest trend and best practice. So these are the six techniques or the six tips you need to follow in order to get success in your quality control career. To summarize: develop a deep understanding of industry standard and regulation, foster effective communications, implement rigorous inspection and testing protocols, embrace continuous improvement, leverage technology and automation, seek mentorship and knowledge sharing. These are the all for the today, and I hope you find it useful. Apply in your case, in your life, you will get the success. And if you want to know anything more, please let me know in your comment box, and I will come with more content like this. And if you are stuck in your quality control career, book a one-to-one call with the link in bio, which is completely free. And in this call, I will uncover the secret of a quality control engineer in a specific manner. And I'm waiting for you and waiting for your comment. And please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you once again for watching me.